Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Welcome to Sunday Night Countdown. I'm going to go over SPRB with you guys, an amazing breakout that we had on Friday, mentioning on Thursday a $15 price target from Oppenheimer. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for us to continue. Could we continue into that $15 price target? And the market extremely choppy. What's going to have to happen for us to bounce back in the market? Where are we at this point in time? And which momentum are we looking for to have more continuation volume in the market? And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over SPRB with you guys again, getting a $15 price target from Oppenheimer, and also the market extremely choppy. So I'm going to go over the S&P 500. This is the SPY, so you guys can see what kind of momentum we have at this point in time, what we're looking for to have a bounce back in the market. So as you guys can see here on the 5-minute chart, again, we did mention them at $2.70 on Thursday, had a major continuation into the next day, all the way up to $5.80, over 100% on that breakout. As you guys can see, we had this spike on Thursday, consolidating here, looking to see if we can bounce off of the 20-moving average. That's exactly what happened going into Friday. We had this bounce and broke into new highs from the day before. And as you guys can see, we broke above our previous volume that we had throughout the week, giving us this continuation momentum and giving us confirmation here on the MACD with this increase in buy pressure. As you guys can see, we did have a pullback going to extended hours, looking to see if we can bounce off of this 50-moving average to bounce back over the 20. We do have the 20 curling down here, so we want the 20 to definitely curl back up to have a continuation. So again, we are looking for a lot more momentum here on the 5-minute chart. Going back to the 1-hour chart, so you guys can see exactly which levels we're trying to hold above. As you guys can see, again, we did have this gap up, looking to see if we can continue on past this $4.50 gap up. We had a $5 psychological resistance that we did mention that we're looking to see if we can break above, and sure enough, did break above that, broke up to $5.80, another major breakout that we had at the end of the day on Friday. And as you guys can see, we got rejected exactly at $5.80 because we had a major gap down here previously on this chart. And as you guys can see, we have our next strong resistance here at $7.30. So if we do continue on past $5.80, reclaim $5, break over $5.80, then we have a very strong resistance coming up here at $7.30. So again, SPRB ultimately has been selling off the entirety of this stock. So again, I'm not exactly expecting a continuation, as every single one of these spikes that we have seen throughout the entirety of this stock has been continuing on down. So again, not exactly expecting a continuation here, but SPRB, a major runner that we did have from last week. So again, we will keep them on the watch, as the market has been reacting to the major runners from the day before, and SPRB definitely is going to be in that category of possibilities. So jumping into the 4-hour chart with you guys, so you guys can see what happened within the last 2 weeks. Again, a couple weeks ago, Omicron variant and Jerome Powell mentioning an increase in tapering at a quicker pace, pulling down the market at a quick pace as well. And as you guys can see, we did mention that we were looking to see if we can get the 20-moving average to cross back over the 50 to get a bounce in the market. And as you guys can see, we did get a bounce, and leading into Jerome Powell, we did have a pullback again. Jerome Powell, very hawkish previously, so we did have a pullback from Tuesday, leading into Wednesday with Jerome Powell, as again, very scared of a possible hawkish Powell, as we did see previously from this continuation sell-off. And as you guys can see, we had a strong reaction right off the bat to Jerome Powell, looking to see if we can break into new all-time highs and hold all-time highs. And as you guys can see, we did break into new all-time highs. We did not hold it, looking to see if we can continue on into new all-time highs. We did mention previously that we're looking to see if we can break over 475 here on the SPY. As you guys can see, going to Friday, we did have a pullback, dropping just below our fears that we had leading into Powell. So again, the 20-moving average curling down here, looking to see if we can curl back up. As you guys can see previously, we did have our pullbacks, and as you guys can see, we do have multiple pullbacks after we do have a pullback. So again, no surprise here if we do have another pullback, and multiple pullbacks before we do get our rally like we did previously. Again, Jerome Powell mentioning that we're not going to have as much of an increase in tapering, which gave us this large rally here. So again, looking for a large rally here in the market. So we are looking to see if we can break into new highs that we got rejected at on Friday, just exactly at 465, and then we have 468 as a very key resistance that we're leading into, and then that continuation momentum that we're looking for here is at 475 on SPY. So the market is very much on consolidation mode, looking to see if we can bounce back, or if we do continue on down, we're going to be looking to see if we can hold 450 where we did previously bounce off of, and if we cannot hold 450, we'll be looking to see if we can bounce off of 442, again getting our previous invert head and shoulder here at 442. If we do continue on down, we will be looking to see if we can hold this level here that we had our confirmation on our continuation here in the market. Again, when Powell did mention that increasing tapering at a slower pace. So again, the market very much on the watch, looking for a bounce back here. So again, with that said, if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, and everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel every single day, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help to find it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.